Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about how can we open and wrap multiple tabs in VS Code. So I am on my VS Code, and as you can see that on the left hand side Explorer, there are multiple files. So if I'm clicking on those, still it is not opening all the files. It is just opening 3 files. So how can I open all the files at once? So for that, you on the right hand side, you can click on those 3 dots and click on keep editors open. So as soon as you will click it, you will see a check mark is added over here. Now if I will go and click on these, I can see that the files are getting added on the top bar. Now it may be the case that sometimes this doesn't work. In that case, what you can, if it doesn't work for you, you can go for another choice, that is files, set preferences, settings, and here you can go and search for wrap tabs. You can click on this and it will make the settings work for you. Now if you will go, it will still work the way you want, and you can see multiple tabs on the top. So if you do not want to show so many tabs, you can simply go ahead and click it off, check it off, and things will be back to normal. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.